My hair doesn't look crazy bad, but it just needs a little bit of something to bring that shape back, because it's just, I haven't done anything to my hair for the past couple of days. It's just kind of gone up in a bun every once in a while, but even then it's been really messy. But I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair with the Overnight Blowout. Now I typically do this first after I finish blow drying my hair, and that's every time I blow dry my hair. I always use these rods. I swear this increases the longevity of my blowout curls, regardless if I use this later in the week. Like, I haven't used these blowout rods this entire trip. It's just been busy. I've been out all day, and this is what my hair looks like. And it's been almost a week, if not, it's been exactly a week since I blow dry my hair, and it looks like this. So the key is use this right after you blow out your hair, and then every once in a while for maintenance, keep using these. That's what I'm gonna do now. Sometimes I'll wear these for a couple of hours before I need to go to an event, just to give my hair that zhuzh up again, and my hair just needs a little refresh. So I went ahead and used the OUAI Super Dry Shampoo in Melrose place. It smells so good. Now the Overnight Blowout set I have is just the original, and these, I have tried another dupe, like Amazon version of this, and it just is not the same. It has like a grip to it, like this, so it kind of holds your hair really well. And I feel like the difference also that I've seen in quality is like how well this bends. It really stays well. So honestly, I haven't found anything that matches the quality of these quite, and it's just a fantastic product. It's not something you have to buy over and over again, so I definitely think it's worth buying this. Now to do my hair, I'm going to start off like where the corner of my eyes are. I'm going to take this front section up to my crown. Now I'm going to make sure this doesn't go too far back. About here is good. I'm going to pull these back. I'm going to use a hairbrush to brush all the hair forward. Now this brush I don't really like at all. It's just while we're traveling I forgot to pack a hairbrush, so this is just what I was able to get on delivery. So yeah, it's a couple of hairs. Now you'll see your curls will kind of form like this. Is that music? Okay, we're just gonna have to continue. I'm in New York, it's a little bit noisy here. Where it says Overnight Blowout here, this logo, I hold this in my right hand. Now I'll put this about like midsection just because I have a lot of layers and they tend to fall out. But I'm gonna kind of guide my hair like I'm following the curve. And when you have this Overnight Blowout part in your right hand, the grip is the right way, so it holds onto your hair well. Tuck those ends in, and then I'm gonna roll this up. And then once you're at the top of your head, take both sides, twist it, and then use your hook. Now there shouldn't be any tugging, pulling, or anything on this end right here. You can kind of move it around just to make it comfortable. But if you feel any tugging, just do it again. You don't want any traction alopecia to happen. I don't think I've actually, like, this has caused any hair loss for me. And I am someone that loses hair like every once in a while from like stress and too much matcha apparently recently, but it's fine. This hasn't caused me to lose hair. At least it doesn't feel too uncomfortable. Now taking that brush, I part my hair in the back, just right down the middle, like from where my part is on the side, bring it down the middle here. I'm gonna hold this section up. Oh my gosh, it is so noisy. Bring this all the way up. And again, this is easier when you have a better brush. I just have like a more like a smoothing brush. But take this all the way up here, get all the baby hairs. I have a lot of baby hairs, so it's near impossible for me to get all of my hair here. And then making sure I didn't miss this. Make sure you get all the hairs. I'm that person that will leave a little strand on the end. Take your Overnight Blowout, hold the Overnight Blowout part in your right hand. Go like this. Let me fold this so it's gonna get my makeup. Okay. Again, towards like mid-length for me, just because I have a lot of layers. And I'm gonna direct my hair upwards. It's gonna help create that volume. Wrap my ends around. Like, I can pretty much do this without looking at a mirror, so once you get the hang of it, it's really not that bad at all. Bring it up to the root like that. Fold it up like that, right? I have a lot of hair. It's very dense. So even with the weight of my hair, this trick that I'm going to show you guys in a second is going to help. Like this might feel kind of heavy on some people's heads, but I tie them together, which you'll see in a second. It's going to help with that. So again, same thing here. This section goes all the way up. And this, I didn't create this method. I think this is called like the Minnie Mouse method, but I'm just showing you in detail how I like to do it and how it's been working out for me. And you know, it works great. So again, the Overnight Blowout logo in your right hand, all the way up. Twist your ends over and then roll it in. And you want to make sure your hair is like, you know, towards the center. Let me do this one again. Like that. Get the ends tucked in. Roll it inwards or downwards like that. Roll it up. Now this time, while you have one of these free, whichever is longer, take it on this back one, put it through, and then lock it. A lot of people might not be locking it like this. Some people just kind of close it on the top of their head and call it a day. And that's it. Yeah, if you feel any type of tugging, anything, just take it out, do it again, and after just like a couple of times, you can do this without a mirror. This becomes almost second nature. Now before I could sleep in this, but for me, I like to be completely free when I sleep. So a lot of times I will wear this during the day before I head out for a couple hours, or just like in the morning. This is how I'll get my hair up out of my face. And it just works great. So you don't necessarily have to sleep with these on. You can. I definitely have slept with these on a couple of times, but for me, I prefer nothing on my head. But yeah, this has really helped my blowouts last. But this time, honestly, my hair has been playing great. Even like it even got wet this week, and my hair still looked pretty good. It's just a little greasy, just needs a little refresh. I'm gonna keep my hair like this for the next couple of hours until we head out. But yeah, this, I hope this was easy to follow. I'm not going to edit this too much so it doesn't get too choppy. So you can follow along real time if you want, but yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. And I find that this is the best way to get root volume because the tops of my hair are upward and it just works great. So do this. Key is to do this right after you blow dry your hair, or even with the like the Wavy Talk heated brush, I'll even do this right after I use it, and it just helps add volume and just help it set. It just works fantastic. This is one of my favorite products to keep on hand while I travel. Like I don't have any other hair tools besides this, and yeah, I'm really trusting it to work. So, and it has thus far on all my travels. That's all I have for the video. You guys let me know what you think, and if you are trying this out, or if you have tried this out, let me know how the blowout lasts well for you and if you're able to sleep on this. But yeah, let me know your thoughts are. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and consider subscribing. If you want to see videos like this and a little bit more of my life, you can follow me on my social media where I'll upload things like that and a giveaway soon, so stay tuned. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again soon.